I wasn't filming again. What is up with today? Guys, I filmed doing my brows and then it said card full. Had to delete that. I filmed putting on my eyes, 2 shades, card full. Had to delete that. Formatted my card, now I start over and I put this one shade on, this orange shade. I wasn't even recording. Like, what is life right now? Hi guys, I'm back with another video. This time it's going to be a 2-in-1. How I beat my face to look like this, of course. And also installing this wig. I did install the wig and I really didn't show too much because you guys have my Melt That Lace video, so it's not really much that's going to be shown. I didn't do a talk through, but the makeup portion is going to be a talk through. I did my makeup and my hair earlier and I didn't have time to film a outro or the intro, so I am doing it now hours later, so my makeup does look like, you know, set in, and you know, I wore it for the day. And I changed my outfit like twice, no, 3 times actually in this video. It definitely took me all day to film this video. So I hope you guys enjoy. This is my first 2-in-1, I guess you can call it. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Bye. So for my brows, I use my regular Fashion Fair Onyx brow powder, and I use the I use the LA Girls Forever Red lip liner to get the red tint in my brows. I cleaned it up with SX11. For my primer on my lids, I did use the Revlon ColorStay in the shade Medium Deep. I know it's very light. I did use to prime my lid and it blended very well with the Kevyn SX11. It's a very thick concealer, you guys know, so it did blend very well with that. I just am tired of using my Layin Low paint pot by MAC because it's so old and I feel like it doesn't have like the right consistency to be used by itself because it's making my shadows very patchy. But I do like the way that it dries, so I did use it in my inner corner where I get very oily during the day and my lids and my eyeshadow will crease. So I just use this in the inner corner, the paint pot. Now, moving on to shadows, I did use the Kiko shadow in the shade 19 as a first shade, transition shade. And then I went into my Morphe 12P palette and I use this orange shade right underneath that. I'm taking my Masquerade palette, and this is the Masquerade. Juvia's Place, you guys know. I'm taking Zulu right now. That's how I was able to get this gorgeous, gorgeous sunset. I really wish that you guys were able to see the transition. I filmed it, I promise you guys, I filmed it, but I had to format my memory card. It was acting up, it was jacked up. Like, I'm so mad right now, but I'm just gonna move on. I used the shade Zulu already, and now I'm gonna go into Ada. I'm gonna use this on my outer crease. Take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain, and I'm going to cut my crease with this. Now I'm just going to go back into Ada, which was the last shade that I used, and blend that out. I'm taking this KOKIE palette and I'm going to be using this shade right here in the middle just to put on top of the concealer. I do want to keep it this color. I can't find anything that has like a tint to it. Everything that I have is like too too white. Now I'm gonna take my Inglot Gel liner in 77. I have a love-hate for this. I absolutely love how black it is. I love the consistency. I use this thin Morphe brush. It doesn't have a number on it. It has nothing on it. This stuff transfers on me. Like, I could be out in the street and right here in my inner corner will transfer onto my lid, onto my eyeshadow, and then I look like retarded. And it's not because my eye is watering, it just transfers. Like, it's like it never dries. So what I have to do is, if I remember, is to set the liner with freaking powder, and I feel like for it to be Inglot, I don't think I should have to do that. And people talk about it so much, but I feel like that's something that they don't say, but maybe it's not happening to most people, but it's transferring on me very bad. So what I do is, in my inner corner, is start very thin. I have to leave this very thin, and then once I get past my iris, then that's when I start to make it thick. So that's what I have to do. Okay, so I did my liner. I didn't do a wing, I just did the lid. Now I'm going to take my Lancome Mascara and my Catrice Glam and Doll Mascara. I like to use the Catrice one first. I feel like it just separates my lashes and it coats them pretty well. I've been using the Nars All Day Luminous. People have a lot of hate for this foundation, and I'm like, it works for me, it's fine. The other ones don't work for me. I think Nars has 2 other liquid foundations. They don't work for me, so I like this one. So what I do is, I don't use the pump. I just don't like how messy the pump can get after a while. You guys know I like my makeup to look clean and neat, so I just take the stick out, and you don't even need a lot of this. Like, to me, that's not a lot. I'm going to take my e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush and just blend that out. So for concealer, I'm going to take the Morphe concealer in the shade Caramel, and depending on how I'm feeling, I'll either use the Too Faced Warm This Way and Tan, Tan, or I will take the Revlon ColorStay that I used to prime my lids today and use this for brightness. This is in the shade Medium Deep. So for today, I'm going to use the Medium Deep. I only use the Morphe under my eye. I love the thickness. It's definitely like a mousse concealer. It doesn't dry quick. I take it down the bridge because I don't like to be too light on my bridge. Cupid. And then whatever is left on either side, I take down here for my reverse highlight. So now I'm going to take my Revlon color. Is this color? Am I saying this wrong? Oh, it is ColorStay. I know ColorStay is like this lipstick. Okay. Now I'm going to take my e.l.f. contour stick in the shade Deep. Yes. And obviously contour with that. Now is when I go into my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Deep. And I use my beauty blender to apply that. Just right here, my frown lines, because my frown lines, my smile lines. See my smile lines? Like, I have a love-hate for them. I like them, but just crease there. Then I'm gonna take my Midnight Banana Powder. Going to my Shade and Light palette, I usually would take these two shades and go underneath my eyes, but I'm already light enough. Don't need to be any lighter, but I am going to contour with the darkest shade. I'm going to take my Milani Tantastic in the shade Fantastic in Gold. This is how I get that summery, bronzy glow. But before I do that, I'm going to use setting spray. I have tons and tons of setting spray, but today I'm going to use the Prime and Fine setting spray. Yeah, I'm going to use that first. Ooh. I'm going to let that get a little tacky on the face. Once I have that over the face, I spray again, let that get tacky, and then I move on to highlight. Today I'm going to be using the Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick in the shade Bronze. You can get this at Beauty on the Fly, this little small one. Beauty on the Fly at Sephora, my Sephora ladies, y'all know what I'm talking about. Beauty on the Fly is at the register, like all the products that they have lined up at the register. That's where you can find this small one. For lips, I'm going to take the NYX Retractable Lip Liner in Cocoa. Just line. And take Sephora's Cream Lip Stain in the shade 33. It's like the perfect nude. It's like darker than Myth, but it's still like bright enough. So I'm just gonna plop this right here in the center. So pretty. While that dries, I'm going to take the Ardell 252s. I'm going to plop these on. See how like your life changes? I'm like not even done. Oh, life changes. Get into them. Ardell 252s. I only found them in Sally's. This is them. Y'all, I had to get two. So now that we did makeup, let's go into hair. Alright guys, I'm back. I took a shower. I feel so good right now, like I'm so clean. Now I can get this wig on and stop looking like I'm going to jail. So the wig that I'm going to be showing you guys is this baby right here. She looks very shiny because I sprayed my, not very shiny, but I sprayed my Sebastian shaper on it. You guys may have remembered this wig. This wig used to be blonde. I dyed it blonde, and if you guys see, oh, what look is that? It's a look, it's a video where I'm wearing yellow. I think it's like maybe 3 videos ago. yeah, maybe 3-4 videos ago, I'm using like yellow and like glitter on my eyes, and I had the blonde wig on. That's the same wig. So I just decided that I wanted to go red. I wanted to do like another fun color, and y'all know red's my favorite color, so I was like, let me just do it. I have only done red one other time in my life, and it wasn't the greatest, so I just wanted to the wig was already blonde, so I was like, it's already blonde, let me just put this on there. So I used the Kiss color in Scarlet, and then I ran out of it. Didn't feel like going back to the store, so then I used Adore. I used Adore's Truly Red right here for the top. And if you ask me, it looks pretty much the same all around. Like, can you guys tell? No, it looks pretty much the same. Maybe a smidge darker down here, but it looks the same. So I thought I didn't have a cap, but I do. So I'm just going to put this on. I really don't want to talk because you guys have you guys have seen my video. I'm sure. If you haven't, what are you doing with your life? Like, why did you go see my video? Okay, you could go right now. No, but I'm sure you guys have seen my video. Like, it's my #1 video actually. Like, it's gaining like 1,000 views each day, which I'm so happy and proud. That's like what I've been wanting for all my videos, but it's just like not happening. But that video, I don't know what I did. Maybe because I put Amazon in the caption. I don't know what I did. Maybe I tagged it right. But that video is like making moves, like macho moves. So I do want to thank you guys for watching this long video and sticking by with me. This is a gorgeous hair. This is she. I wasn't able to show too much in the video because I was running late. I had to get out the door, but this is she all ready and done. And all I'm going to do to put my hair up is just put it in a bonnet and put my scarf around my edges so that my edges can lay down. But I want to thank you guys once again for sticking with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.